Yes, good morning everyone. Today we will see the working of control panel. Okay, so as you know, there is a folder like a control panel, and it consists of many things by which we can do the overall setting of the computer system. Okay, you can change the appearance, you can change the appearance setting, you can change the date. There are so many things that we are going to discuss in the class. Fine, so let's start. So with the help of control panel, we can change the appearance and the personalization of the desktop. We can also change the hardware and software configuration. We can also change the system and its security, the networking and the internet connection, user account and family accounts. Okay, and the language, region and the clock setting. There is much more that we are going to discuss. So first is we are going to see how to open control panel. So the first is to click on start, and here you will see one option, Windows. So Windows system and the control panel. Okay, so from here you can open, or simply you can type in the search box control panel. It will come. Open it. Fine, so this is control panel. We can change its view. Right now it is category wise, so you can make it small icons, and you can also change it to large icons. So these are the things that we can do with the help of control panel. Okay, the first thing that we are going to discuss is the date and time. How to change the date and time. From here we can change the date and time. Okay, click on it. So now right now this is date 20th of August 2020, and this is the time. If you want, you can change it. Click on change. So select the date and the year and the month, and click on OK button, and similarly you can change the time also. Okay, right now I'm not changing it because it will change the time of my system. So but from here you can change and click on OK. Suppose you want 10 here, 10 o'clock, 10:58. So now it's 10. Click on OK, it will change. You want the date 8, so click on here, the date and time will be updated. Right now I'm not going to update. And from this you can change your time zone. Okay, right now we are in India, so this is Indian time zone. You can also select time zone of other countries. So this is the first thing that we can do with the help of control panel. Second is you can install and uninstall font from the computer. So this is font. Click on it. Fine, so these are the font that are installed in your computer. If you want to remove any font, click on it and simply delete it. Okay, click on any font and click on delete, so the font will be deleted. And if you want to install any font, so first you need to download that font, like movies font for Windows. Click on it. You can download from any website. Suppose I want this type of font, so click on it. The font is downloaded. Open the folder. Okay, this is the font. Just extract it. Extract here. Search for the folder. See, it is extracted here. Copy this font. Okay, go to control panel setting this font and then paste it. So now it is installing the font is installed, and now you can use the font in your laptop. So this is the second thing by which we can delete, or you can add also a new font in your laptop. Now we will see how to change the mouse setting from control panel. So this is mouse, click on it. Okay, so see, there are so many options. If you are left-handed, you can select this option. If you are right-handed, you can select this option. Okay, you can also select the speed of double clicking of mouse. When you double click on any folder, it automatically open, and when you double click on file, it automatically open. So you can select the speed of double clicking. Okay, how fast or how slow you should double click on particular folder so that it will open. Next is you can also change the pointer. There are some pointers available. You can select any pointer. Right now this is your pointer, you can select any pointer. Okay, and if some pointers you have downloaded from internet, so you can use that pointer by browsing. Okay, you can also set the pointer speed. Okay, you can make it fast, you can make it slow. See, right now it is moving very slow, and if I make it fast, now it is very fast. Okay, you can also display the trail. Okay, see, this is known as the trail. See, you can also hide the pointer by when you are typing. Okay, so these are the options that you can. Okay, so with the help of these three things, we can change the setting of mouse. You can change left hand, right hand, you can change the double click speed, you can change the pointers. Okay, and you can change the pointer speed as well as the trailing option also. Fine, when you apply it. Okay, so since we have changed only the trailing option, so see, the mouse trail is visible. Fine, next that we are going to discuss is replacing double click with single click. Okay, now see how to replace double click with single click. Click on this file explorer option. From here you can see in general. Right now it is double click to open any item. We need to double click on any folder, on any file in order to open it. But you can also click on single click. Okay, so you need not to double click on the folder or file. You just click on the folder and file and it will open. Okay, and here are some more options. When you click on the folder, it will open in same window, or you want a separate window for that. Okay, so these are the things that you can change from here using file explorer option. Next is power option. Okay, so search for this is power option. So with the help of power option, we can do many things. Let's see. So first I have clicked on this choose what the power button does. Okay, so there is power button in a laptop or computer. So when you press the power button, it should hibernate, okay, on battery, and when it is plugged in, then also it is hibernate, and you can change also shut down or whatever you want. And when you close the lid of the laptop, if you are using laptop and when you are closing the lid, so what action should be happen over here? It should shut down, it should sleep, it should hibernate. So right now I have selected it to sleep. When I close the lid, my system will come in sleep mode, and when I press the power button, it will go to hibernate mode. See, this is also same what when the lid is open or close. Now we have create a power plan. You can also use high performance, but then it will consume more battery. You can use power saving mode, and you can use balance mode also. Okay, now choose when turn off the display. You can also set this. Okay, so when you are using on battery and your computer is on standby, so after 5 minutes, means these are the options. You can, when you read it, you can perform these. You can also change computer display off and sleep mode. Now let me tell you the difference between hibernate and sleep mode. Okay, so in sleep mode, the computer it don't turn off completely. Fine, only the monitor and the hard disk turn off, and the document that are open, they store in the RAM. And when we use hibernate mode, so in hibernate mode, the computer shut down to save the power. Okay, and all the document that are open, they save in the hard disk. Okay, so these are the difference between sleep and hibernate mode. So thank you. I hope these are the topics that we have discussed. One is mouse setting, another is this file explorer, then this power option. Okay, and another is date and time. So I hope it is clear to you all, and thank you for joining the class.